Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to math. Today's objective is, to know how to do proofs using segments, Remember, last class we did proofs using equations. Today we're going to use segments to do those proofs, So let's get started on today's concept. Segments, We have two segments, We have A, B, C. On the other segment, we have D, E, F. Remember, we always have to do our chart. Notice that when it comes to segments, the chart isn't that long because there's always simple segments, or all segments don't have that much to prove. We do our chart for statement and reason. Now that we have our statement and reason, it is given to us that line AC is congruent to DE. We're given. Also, it's given that point B and point E are center points. All we have to prove is that line segment AC is congruent to segment DF. So remember, we always start with the given. We can say AC is congruent to DE. It's given. We can also say, I'm not going to put both of them, both points. I'm just going to point one of them. Point B is a center point. Point is also given. What else can we say about these segments? We can also say that if angle B is center and E is center, we can say that AB plus EF also makes a segment. So we can say AB plus EF equals a segment. Or line segment. Because they're the same, right? The distance between both of them. We can also say that BC is congruent to EF by substitution. Because they're the same. We can substitute either one for the part of the segment. So therefore, we can prove that AC is the same as segment DF. Prove it. And that's it. That's how we do segments. We use some of the words from last class. Make sure that you write everything down. If you need time, make sure you pause the video. Let me see if I can zoom it in a little here in case you guys can't really see those words. we go. Notice we have AC is congruent to DEF or to DE, it's given. Point B as a center point is also given. AB plus EF is a little segment because we can replace part of it. We can also say that BC is congruent to EF by substitution. I've got a little dash on top of the EF. And then so that means that AC and DF or DE are segments. And that's it. So notice that I didn't require so many. I didn't do so many of them because with segments, it's a little more right straight to the point compared to algebraic where you have to explain every step. Okay, so here's your assignment. Alright guys, so here's the assignment for today. Make sure you pause the video if you need time to write it down. Notice that it's a very simple, straightforward reasoning statement. Because like I said, when it comes to segments, it's a really kind of straightforward to proving two segments. So that's why it's not a lot. All you have to do is fill in the blanks. Remember, submit your answer as soon as you're done watching the video. I'll be hearing from you soon.